After weeks of escalating trade tensions between India and the United States, representatives from both the nations have decided to return to the diplomatic route as fresh rounds of trade talks begin in the national capital of India, New Delhi today. Brendan Lynch, the Assistant U.S. Trade Representative for the South and Central Asia, arrived in India late last night. His visit marks a very critical attempt to break the deadlock on the long-pending India-U.S. bilateral trade deal. According to reports, the U.S. trade delegation will hold a day-long meeting with their Indian counterparts. This visit comes after a rocky spell in Trump-Modi relations, largely triggered by President Trump's recent decision to impose a steep 50% tariff on Indian imports, which happens to be a punishment, according to Trump, for India's ongoing purchases of Russian crude oil and defense equipment. India, with a stern message, has strongly objected to these tariffs coming their way, calling them unfair, unjustified and also unreasonable in nature. So far, 5 rounds of trade negotiations have taken place, but progress has been very slow. The 6th round, originally scheduled for late August, was abruptly cancelled after Trump's tariff escalation. Confirming the talks, Rajesh Agrawal, India's chief negotiator, clarified that the meeting is not the 6th round per se, but an important discussion to quote-unquote see what the picture can be moving forward. Sticking points remain, particularly US pressure on India to open up its agriculture sector. Tensions flared recently when US Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick, criticized India for refusing to import even a single bushel of American corn, despite its massive population. But with renewed political will on both the sides, hopes are cautiously rising. Prime Minister Modi, in fact, recently responded warmly to President Trump's comments on India-US trade, even after Trump's earlier jabs calling India a quote-unquote dead economy. Brendan Lynch, known for navigating tough negotiations in agriculture, manufacturing and IP, will now attempt to bridge this widening gap. Now the big question remains, will India and the US crack a breakthrough deal, or will the tariff strain deepen?